Bolts.
Man. Yeah. Journey. Far away to another place, you know. Open your eyes. Let's see. Let your mind see what your soul can see. You know? Stay with me. Come on. You know, I'ma open up your mind like I open up the doors. That's right. Just follow me on the right path, you know. Keep it going. You know. You know, my temperature grows. And it goes. Yeah. What side of the fence is you on? What this world coming to? Can you tell me who's on? Who's on? Me? How long? Strong. Yeah, me. I try to last long, but I'm going strong. Many nights I be thinking, right? Listen. Sitting back, I be smoking, right? Trying to figure out the world, right? Trying to understand people, right? But everything keeps coming back. Do I push it back? But then I look back. Look. What I see side to side is you asking me a question. That's a follow-away. I remember back in the days, yeah, when I was young, you know. Mama and my pops used to tell me, though. Granny used to tell me about the slaves. Like she couldn't cop, you know. But then I see that as I grew older, and then I look back. So now I look past the light, right? Yeah, amazed that is, you know what I'm saying? But the world ain't shifting, right? In a long, different direction. So then I go past that. Then I don't stop. Then I move back. That's cautious, man. So you see what you can't see. So then you hold back. Listen. Just journey with me, man. I'ma open up your mind like I open up them doors, right? Just follow me in the right way. That's that path, right? Mission. You know, I'm just speaking from the heart. Just heart, man. My life, my story. My story, my life. That's a new page. That's the glory, right? Glory. I'm maintaining, right? Yes. Not poor, right? Not rich, right? In the middle, right? But then I understand myself, right? I remember those days, right? Lost my sister, right? And it hurts. It's just, I know you up there watching over me, doing prayers, and everybody else is with you. I just keep thinking back that day. Sorry, not you though. But then it plays like back in them days. You erase it, but time heals, you know. I'ma stay focused. I am. Sometimes I want to do the wrong thing. Then the Lord come in and he split down the middle, keep me from the devil, right? I'm just saying. You know, open up your mind. I'm gonna open up your mind like y'all open up them doors.